Nobody perfect. You suggest you and Jimmy too because you worth it. You ain't here when I needed you, what was you perfect? Say you love me, you say you trust me.
What's up, y'all, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm about to be doing an edges tutorial. As y'all can see by my edges, they look rusty and dusty right now, but I got tired of the way they were looking. Comment down below what hairstyle y'all want me to get next, because I'm lost. Like, I don't know what else to get. I'm probably gonna do these again. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get these again with some color in it, because I like these braids. These braids are very nice and convenient, and they're lasting, because any other braids I'll get, they do not last, y'all, and y'all know that. I'll be taking them out. But let me get a thumbnail real quick, y'all. Okay, so I'm finished to get this video going. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell if y'all want to be notified when I post my videos or whatever. I love y'all. Follow me on this journey to 1,000 subscribers. I need 1,000 subscribers before December, or whenever I get 1K subscribers, I will drop a crazy video, like whatever y'all want me to do, I'm gonna do. If y'all want me to drink an egg, I'm gonna record it, I'm gonna post it, I'm gonna do it for y'all. Nay Squad. I'm gonna call y'all Nay Squad. That's y'all name, is Nay Squad. Alright, y'all, so let's get into this video.
dress you and did me too because you worth it. You ain't here when I needed you, what was you purpose? Say you love me, you